In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind an object in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you want to do is you need some footage, as you can see, where there's an object in the foreground and some background in the back, okay? And you must note that this will work perfectly when the object is a different color from the background, and yeah, this will only work in case that's the case. So what you then want to do is click this little type tool over here and then put on some text. Let's say I wanted this to say tower right now, okay, since it's, well, a tower. And then you can stylize this text however you'd like it. I'm just going to leave it as it is right now. Let's say I want this to be seen in the background. There we go. And now once you've done this, you want to make sure that you drag this text layer all the way so it matches the length of the video layer in front of it, okay? And then what you want to do is create a duplicate of this video layer, and you want to put it above the text layer. So press this, hold down your Alt key, and simply drag it above, then release, and that's it. Now the next part is done. What you then want to do is simply click on the above layer, go into the Effects tab, and look for Color Key. And once you find it, make sure to apply it by dragging it onto the above layer, so to the layer on top. And then once you've done this, you want to go to Effect Controls, click this little dropper tool over here, okay? And you want to select the background, so the background behind the object you're trying to put in front. So in my case, this is the area over here. Want to click it, and as you can see, the text is still not visible. And what you have to do is over here where it says color tolerance, you want it to kind of go up a little bit, so you want to drag it up and just until you see the text, okay? So don't go too far out, just leave it to where you can see the text, and that's it. As you can see, if I put it to 100, it's going to kind of go through the object, and we don't want that. And you want it just so you can see the text perfectly, okay? So in my case, as you can see, that's about 34, okay? And now once you've done that, you'll be able to see that the text is now behind the object. And now if I just play this video, there we go. As you can see, the text is behind the object. And of course, once you've done that, don't forget to render this. And yeah, that's pretty much it.